Sanibona bafethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngegame ye-Chiefs versus i-Al Masry. But i-CAF Confederations Cup bekade ngiyibukile. Qala nje nge-approach coach back 4 or should I say back 3 because udlala ngomlungu bese adlale Gale uKwinika bese kuba uSolomon, but uSolomon plays more like as a wing back. I want to speak kakhulu ngoSolomon but ngiqhubeke, and then siye center ukhona uCele khona umthetho kube khona umdu bese kube khona front kube khona uDupriez, iGudaro, Pulemodi asiye emuva kuqala. So for me ucoach mangabenza uSolomon back 3, it tells me ukuthi umthetho abenocele they will be bazolekelela kakhulu ukucover up for Solomon mangabe mhlambe i-team disjointed, and uSolomon will play more like as a wing back, and uSolomon udlale kakhulu kuleya game covering i-distance. There was a time where khona second half akwazi ukucover khona i-distance ukolele umthetho kade team under attack, and indlela igoli lakhe motor la goli umthetho makile wenza i-run from emuva waze waya phambili wayeqeda igoli. It's a very good goal from him. Coming to a center, there's a very big problem. Do you know ukuthi there was once a time where khona ama-fans wethi uCele is supposed to be kubafana, so having a coach onjengano Hugo Bros wabona ukuthi like umdlalo ucancel igame 1 or 2 semela ngene kubafana, but again uCele is just too ordinary for me. He plays too safe. There's only one thing engithanda ngaye, uyakwazi ukudlala under pressure, like uyakwazi ukuthi ibhola buya delay, like uyakwazi ukuthi enze leyo extra touch ukuthi team ikwazi ukuthola iposition, of which is good ngaye, but sometimes we just need ukuthi abe ne-confidence. What I saw is good players which is but abadlala abaleka confidence. The opponent was being ayona kancane ingozi. You can't even say ukuthi le opponent good ngani, but the Chiefs couldn't like ileke confidence to say sidlala away, yes, but si Chiefs si team enkulu play like badlale passana eduze indlela ama pockets. For me umthetho played a very good role, like ubedlala progressive. Sometimes ubekazi uqhuba ibhola to i-final third akwazi ukuthi ayenze i-forward pass of what into oyidingayo ku-number 6. You can't say u-number 6 is an ordinary position. For me u-number 6 is a very umdlalo omele bemnandi, umdlalo omele kwazi ukuthi abe injini ye-team. Uyakwazi ukudlala ama-1-2, uyakwazi ukudlala ama-long ball, uyakwazi ukuqhubeka ne-run of which umthetho into ayenzele zona. So coming to forward, I think kune-problem uPulemodi vele like I don't know why even esakhona kwe-team, but ke asikho lapho. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngendlela ucoach team ayiphazamise ngakhona. You can't say you're gonna play 2 strikers, uDupriez no iGudaro. uDupriez umdlala as a right forward, uyaqala ukudlala. Okay, umdlala as a right forward. Can uDupriez score from long range? No. Can uDupriez eliminate a player? No. uDupriez is strength sakhe ukudlala nge-pace behind i-defense, so you can ungamenza a-right forward ungamdlali no-iGudaro, because there were times where buba u2 beno-iGudaro be-interchange ama-position to say now i-team i-confused. So mandlala niba u2 e-position A1 because instincts yomdlali ithi if ngiyi-striker normally ngiba phana indawo. So namhlanje before mengiqale ngibheke ukuthi ukuphi iGudaro, lento yenza ukuthi omdusha wala mangabe bephethe ibhola bengabi na ama-options okuphasa forward because ayikho, no one is making a run, like bobo 2 bayabhekana beno iGudaro. So that ile part le ngimothi coach ubewenza khona i-confusion. So now playing uSolomon as a wing back iyamlimaza uma ngabe ezofika phambili, uthola ukuthi ayikho like ngeke badlale ama-1-2 because uDupriez akaveli on the other side. Ka left umlungu mangabe nyuka uPulemodi can't do anything. Ucoach wenza isabe right wafaka uVilakazi. Now uVilakazi ubekwazi ukudlala ama-1-2 noSolomon. Remember ukuthi i-wing back isuke emuva, so udinga ukuthi mangabe ekumemeza isuke emuva wena ikwazi ukuholda up ibhola up until ezifike, of which umdu iyona uVilakazi yona into afika ayenza. But now I'm saying can't you make uVilakazi a number 10, because now umdlala as an invert uthi mangabe kudlala he must cut in, but mangabe udefender he must come out. So now kuba khona i-confusion eningi, make him a number 10. uma ngabe at least ungenza ushaba umdushabala at least a right forward noma a left forward at least ke mangabe ufuna ukuthola iposition, but I Vilakazi because he's always exposed mangabe qhamuka on the side. Vele by didn't have a good game, but it's okay. At least ungena wakhe kodwa khomba sithi khona winga lapha ubezama ama cross ubezama uku eliminate. I want to say Ukwenika has been doing well for me for Chiefs, and angimthandi like bengamthandi, but is proving to me which ngamanje uyadeserve ukuba Chiefs. I think i-confidence ayitholile ngokunikeza ibhandi nokugcina. I think ama players are right, but they lack i-confidence. Ngeke siye koMahlo. I don't like a player engakwazi ukumprofile ukuthi what kind of a player is he is. Is he an attacking midfield? No, I don't know. But I think coming to indawo kaCele, we need more of Umaboy maybe to come in lapha, and maybe Umshini if is fit to come in, because uCele njengamanje no. Danko.